Pour out the reagent from the buffer reagent bag. Dissolve in 500 milliliters of distilled water. The dissolved mixture is the buffer. Add 10 milliliters of buffer to the bottle labeled cholinesterase. Add 10 milliliters of buffer to the bottle labeled as color developer. Shake mix. Add 10 milliliters of distilled water to the bottle labeled as substrate. Shake mix. Weigh 2 grams of sample. Put into the sample tube. Add 10 milliliters of buffer. Take 2.5 milliliters buffer and sample solution. Add to 2 test tubes separately. Take 100 microliters of cholinesterase. Add to 2 test tubes separately. Take 100 microliter color developing agent. Add to 2 test tubes separately. Shake mix. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Absorb substrate 100 microliters. Add to 2 test tubes separately. Shake mix. Check immediately on the machine. Pour the blank liquid into the colorimetric dish. Place in the first channel of the instrument. Pour the solution to be measured into the colorimetric dish, placed in other channels of the instrument other than the first channel. Click Project. Click Pesticide Residue. Click on the box below the sample name. Select Sample Name. Click Detection. Wait 180 seconds to get the test result. Print test results.